The material and tools is electric pot, water, instant noodle, and egg. For the first, pour enough water into the pot. After that, turn on the electric pot. Wait until the water boils. Add the instant noodles into the boiling water. Stir the noodles gently. Crack the egg into the pan. After that, wait until the noodles and egg are cooked. Once cooked, add the seasoning from the instant noodle packaging. Stir well until everything is evenly mixed. And the last step, turn off the electric stove and serve the noodles in a bowl. And the noodles are done.